Hi. Welcome to Math Den, a series of math topics tutorials. This covers algebra, geometry, trigonometry, probability, statistics, calculus, and business mathematics. Today's topic is the summary and the quick solutions for the properties of rational functions. This will be the summary of the properties of rational functions. Make sure that you already watched the definition and the examples of these properties. If not, watch these previous videos. The domain of rational functions. The intercepts and zeros of rational functions. The vertical asymptotes of rational functions. And the horizontal asymptote of rational functions. The summary will help us determine the properties of a given rational function. Remember, the domain of rational function are all possible values of x, except for the values that makes the function undefined. Next, the x-intercept is the value of x when y is equal to 0. In other words, the values of x that will make the numerator 0. Then, the y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. If 0 is not included in the domain, then there is no y-intercept. The vertical asymptote, or asymptotes, of rational functions is determined by the values of x that makes the function undefined. In other words, these are the values of x that will make the denominator 0. While the horizontal asymptote is determined by the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. We follow the three rules for this. Lastly, the range of rational function is the set of all possible values of y. It is determined after the graph is done. For example, determine the properties of this rational function. F of x is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 2 all over x plus 1 times x plus 2. The answer for the domain is the set of all possible values of x. In this example, -1 and -2 are not included in the domain, because they will make the function undefined. Therefore, the domain is all real numbers, except -1 and -2. The answer for x-intercept are the values of x that will make the numerator 0. In this example, the numerator will be 0 if x is equal to -4 and +2. Therefore, the x-intercepts are x equals -4 and x equals +2. The answer for y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. In this example, if we substitute 0 to x, the function will be equal to -4. Therefore, y-intercept is y equals -4. The answer for vertical asymptotes are the values of x that will make the denominator 0. In this example, the denominator will be 0 if x is equal to -1 and -2. Therefore, the vertical asymptotes are x equals -1 and x equals -2. The answer for horizontal asymptote depends on the degree of the numerator and the denominator. If we multiply the terms in the numerator, the degree is 2. If we multiply the terms in the denominator, the degree is also 2. In this case, the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator are equal. Follow the rule number 2. Rule number 2 states that the horizontal asymptote will be the ratio of their leading coefficients. That is, 1 over 1. Therefore, the horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. Lastly, the answer for the range will be determined after the graphing of the given function is done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more video tutorials.